ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we have this 71-inch refrigerated bakery display case with thick durable glass and stainless steel bottom. And now let me give you the external dimension of this unit. From left to right, we have 71 inches in width, and from front to back, we have 26 3/4 inches, and from top to bottom, for the height, we have 47.5. Okay, so now let me show you the back of this unit. So now let me introduce you the back of this unit. We have the digital control right here, also the power button, and it's a standard 110 volt. For a regular plug, you can plug in the wall and just start using it. Also, we have these 4 swing doors, very smooth, left to right, right to left. Also comes with 8 small pieces of a glass shelf, which you can remove. It's removable. You can replace it with anything you like. And also it comes with some LED lighting under each shelf. Also here we have the specification sheet. You can see the details about the voltage, wattage, and everything. And also there will be a instruction book. And now let me give you the dimension of the internal space to have an idea how much stuff you can put in there. From left to right, we have 69 inches. From front to back, we have about 20 inch and 3/4. And from top to bottom, we have 24 inches. So pretty much that's everything about this display case. If you guys want more details, you can check it out on our website or give us a call. Thank you for watching.